Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for January 6, 2021. If you look at the SPY daily chart here, today the market it pushed back up, back at all-time high, but they get to the resistance zone, so the last minute they pulled back down. So overall trend is still bullish, so right now the market is run up too fast, so they pulled back a little bit, but the trend is still uptrend, so we still stick with the uptrend until they change the direction. So right now, if you look at the E-mini SP 500, so the market they hit to the top here, they run it over about a point and then they go right back down. So they pull back down, but after hour, and then they try to continue to push it back up. So they come and retest that area again. So let's see that the market be able to hold up and continue to the next destination. So doesn't matter what happened in Washington, who win the election, the market is still try to find a destination that they have to get to. So as long as the trend is still up, we look at the price chart. As long as the price still tell it's still an uptrend, we will stick with the uptrend. So if you are in our live trading room today, when the market open at 6:30 Pacific time, I'll be able to let our member know that we get into the buy zone again. So the market it come here and then rebound straight up from this level. When it break out the pivot resistance, and I'll be able to take up and run up to the upside with a next destination. So within the first hour, we'll be able to capture 40 points for the first trading, and that's $20,000 per contract on the year. So that's what we're doing here every day in our live trading room to guide our members to see where the market heading to, so that they can make a quick money for the daily income. After that, we turn around and analyze a lot of stock on the swing trade so that they can make a bigger profit potential, and they don't have time to sit there and trade. That's how they do swing trade. So make it easy. Okay, so if you look at the overall market, you can see the technology stock to again weaker. So today they push it back up, but they could not hold on to it, and then they push it back down again. So let's see how the market they be able to turn around. So it seems like the technology or the big cap stock they have some problem to go higher. So we have to pay a little bit attention here. So this morning they tried to climb back, try to recap the moving average here, but they couldn't do it. So they slam it down on the technology stock. But in the other hand, you can see that the small cap stock they doing extremely well. They take up and they make it all-time high again. And the Dow is also doing very strong, as you can see here. They continue to punch to the upside and make it high and all-time high. And the semiconductor is also strong also, but they push back up and the seller step back down. But overall trend is still bullish. You can see that a lot of stock in this sector that we analyze every day, that you can see that, you know, like KOA 10 core still doing well there. Applied material also push it to the upside. Maxim, okay, those stock are still very strong there. Okay, another one, okay, LRCX, Lam Research, that's another one that try to put it back up. And a lot of stock from technology like Workday, Salesforce, they still have a problem. They still on a sideways correction there. And look at the clean energy. It's a lot of stock today. They try to put it back up, like solar energy and clean energy. That's the one that we show you on the weekly market forecast. That one that I take up for the last 2 days to the top again. And another one, the GP, they also make an all-time high again. And the banking is also doing extremely well, as we showed you yesterday. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, okay, Bank of America, they're all doing extremely well, as you can see here. Okay, seeing a lot of money from the stimulus, they will go right into the bank. So that's why the bank get the benefit. The oil also going up, like you see here, a bunch of oil that we showed you yesterday. It's continue to put to the upside. CVX, Chevron, it's also put it back up. Exxon Mobil, Okay, so just a couple of stocks, as you can see that they continue to pump to the upside. So this is what we show you. If you know how to understand how to read the price chart, you'll be able to trade, so you know where the market heading to, so you can get in and make some profit. The problem is a lot of people, they don't know when they start buying stock. They just buy because they listen to the friend, they listen to the relative, they listen to the neighbor, they watch the news, they get the email from somewhere, and then they just buy from nowhere. They don't know that most of the time they chase it, the market right on the top. That's why they get killed all the time. So in order for you to success to become a trader, you need to learn how to understand how to read the chart, so that you can know where it's heading to. Because right now I show you look easy, but behind, there's a lot of technical analysis that you have to understand, so that you know when you're supposed to get in and when you're supposed to get out, so that you can minimize your risk. Because trading is very risky. If you don't know what you're doing, you can losing a lot of money. So if you would like to check if you would like to learn how to trade, you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com. We have a webinar there for you to take a look, so that you can see how we trade, so that you can learn and something, and then make profit from there. And remember, if you are not our member, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time I have a new video, I can let you know, so that you can take a look to see where the market heading to, and I update it every day. And remember, don't always give me a thumb up, so that give me some motivation, so I can make more video for you in the future. Again, thank you for watching, and then I will see you on the next video. Take care.